$1 million, you say? Yeah, you can. $1 million? Sounds like a dream, right? Like something only Wall Street hotshots and lottery winners get to see. But guess what? You can make it happen too. It's not about magic beans or wishing on a star. It's about strategy, hustle, and a little bit of patience. We're talking about turning that humble $1,000 into a cool million. Sound impossible? Nah, it's totally doable. Stick with me and I'll show you how. This ain't about getting rich quick. This is about building a solid foundation for your financial future. We're talking smart investments, disciplined saving, and a side hustle that gets you pumped. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You need a strong base to reach those top floors. So, are you ready to ditch the ramen noodle budget and start living the good life? Let's turn those dreams into a reality, one step at a time. All right, let's break this down. We're talking about three main players in this game: investing, saving, and side hustling. Think of them as your financial dream team. First up, investing. This is where your money goes to work for you. We're talking stocks, bonds, real estate, the whole shebang. It's about putting your money in places where it can grow over time. Next, we got saving. Yeah, I know it sounds boring, but think of it like this. Saving is your safety net, your rainy day fund, your I'm not freaking out over unexpected expenses cushion. And last but not least, side hustling. This is where you get to unleash your inner entrepreneur. Got a skill, a passion? Turn it into a money-making machine. We're talking freelance gigs, online businesses, the whole 9 yards. Together, these three amigos will help you build wealth, achieve your financial goals, and live life on your terms. So, get ready to roll up your sleeves and get to work. Investing can seem scary, like walking a tightrope over a pit of sharks. The fear of losing your hard-earned money can be paralyzing, making you feel like every step you take could lead to a disastrous fall. But here's the thing. You don't have to be a financial acrobat to succeed in the investment world. But it doesn't have to be that way. With the right approach, investing can be a calm and rewarding experience. Imagine standing on solid ground, feeling the gentle breeze of financial security. It's all about finding your balance and taking measured steps. The key is to start small and learn as you go. Just like planting a seed, your investments need time and care to grow. Begin with small amounts that you can afford to lose and gradually increase your investments as you become more confident and knowledgeable. First things first, figure out your risk tolerance. This is crucial because it will guide your investment choices. Are you someone who prefers the safety of a savings account, or are you willing to take on more risk for the potential of higher returns? Understanding your comfort level with risk will help you make informed decisions. Are you a cautious clam or a risk-taking roller coaster enthusiast? Knowing where you stand on this spectrum will help you choose investments that align with your personality and financial goals. It's all about finding the right balance between caution and ambition. This will determine what kind of investments are right for you. Next, do your homework. Educate yourself about different investment options and strategies. Read books, take online courses, and stay updated with financial news. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment choices. Don't just throw your money at the latest hot stock tip you heard from your Uncle Sal. While it might be tempting to chase after quick gains, it's important to base your decisions on solid research and analysis. Remember, investing is not about gambling. It's about making informed choices. Research different investment options like low-cost index funds or ETFs. These options offer diversification, which can help spread your risk and increase your chances of steady returns. Think of them as the diversified all-star team of the investment world, working together to achieve your financial goals. They're like the diversified all-star team of the investment world. By investing in a mix of assets, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Diversification is a key strategy for long-term success. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about staying the course and not getting swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Just like training for a marathon, it requires discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Building wealth through investing takes time and consistent effort. It's about making regular contributions to your investment accounts and allowing compound interest to work its magic over the years. Be patient, stay consistent, and watch your money grow over time. Monitor your investments regularly, but avoid the temptation to make frequent changes based on short-term market movements. Trust in your strategy and give it time to bear fruit. And hey, if you're feeling lost, don't be afraid to ask for help. Seeking advice from a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of investing. They can offer personalized guidance based on your unique financial situation and goals. A financial advisor can be your guide on this exciting journey. They can help you create a comprehensive investment plan, recommend suitable investment options, and keep you on track to achieve your financial objectives. Just make sure they're legit and not some shady character trying to sell you swampland in Florida. Do your due diligence when choosing a financial advisor. Check their credentials, read reviews, and ensure they have a good track record. A trustworthy advisor can make a significant difference in your investment journey. Section 4. Savings it ain't sexy, but it's your secret weapon. Saving money might not be as glamorous as, say, driving a sports car or jet-setting to exotic islands. We often get caught up in the allure of instant gratification, the thrill of spending on things that give us immediate pleasure. But what if I told you that the real thrill lies in something much more subtle, yet profoundly impactful? But trust me, it's the secret sauce to financial freedom. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on. It's not just about the numbers in your bank account, it's about the confidence and security that comes with it. Think of saving like building a fortress around your finances. Each dollar saved is like a brick in that fortress, providing you with a stronghold against life's uncertainties. It's your financial armor, your shield against the unexpected. It's your protection against unexpected expenses, your ticket to big purchases without going into debt, and your key to sleeping soundly at night. Imagine not having to stress about an unexpected car repair or a medical bill because you have a savings buffer. It's a liberating feeling, one that allows you to focus on what truly matters in life. Start by setting up a budget. A budget is not a restriction, it's a roadmap to your financial goals. It helps you see the bigger picture and make informed decisions about your money. I know, the B word can make you want to run for the hills. Budgeting has a bad rap, often seen as tedious and restrictive. But it doesn't have to be that way, but it's not as scary as it sounds. Once you get the hang of it, budgeting can actually be quite empowering. It gives you control over your finances and helps you make the most out of your money. Just track your income and expenses, see where your money is going, and identify areas where you can cut back. Next, automate your savings. Automation takes the effort out of saving and ensures that you consistently put money aside. Set up a system where a portion of your paycheck automatically goes into a separate savings account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend it, and your savings will grow effortlessly. You'll be surprised how quickly those dollars add up when you're not even thinking about them. It's like planting a tree and watching it grow over time, providing shade and fruit when you need it the most. And here's a little secret. Small changes can make a big difference. You don't have to make drastic lifestyle changes to see the benefits of saving. Brew your own coffee instead of hitting up Starbucks every morning. Those daily $5 lattes add up over time, and by making your own, you can save a significant amount each month. Pack your lunch instead of eating out. Not only is it healthier, but it's also much more cost-effective. Imagine saving $10 a day on lunch. That's $200 a month. Those little savings add up over time. It's the small, consistent actions that lead to big results. Over a year, these small changes can add up to a substantial amount of money. Remember, saving isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices that align with your long-term goals. It's about finding a balance between enjoying the present and securing your future. It's about giving yourself the freedom to live life on your own terms. When you save, you're investing in your future self, ensuring that you have the resources to live the life you want, free from financial stress and worry. Section 5. Side Hustle City. Turn your skills into stacks. All right, let's talk side hustles, the fun part of this whole equation. This is where you get to unleash your inner entrepreneur, tap into your passions, and make some serious cash on the side. Imagine turning your hobbies and skills into a profitable venture. It's not just about the money, it's about doing something you love and getting paid for it. This is where you get to unleash your inner entrepreneur, tap into your passions, and make some serious cash on the side. Whether it's something you've always been passionate about or a new interest you've recently discovered, there's a side hustle opportunity waiting for you. The beauty of a side hustle is that it allows you to explore your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit without the pressure of quitting your day job. Got a knack for writing? You could become a freelance writer or editor. The demand for quality content is higher than ever, And businesses are always looking for talented writers to create engaging articles, blog posts, and marketing materials. Become a freelance writer or editor. Passionate about photography? If you have an eye for capturing beautiful moments, you can offer your services for weddings, portraits, or events. Photography is a versatile skill that can be monetized in various ways, from selling prints to offering photography workshops. Offer your services for weddings, portraits, or events. Tech savvy? If you're good with technology, you can dive into the world of web design or online marketing. These fields are in high demand, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for experts who can help them establish a strong online presence. Dive into the world of web design or online marketing. The possibilities are endless. From graphic design to social media management, there are countless ways to turn your tech skills into a profitable side hustle. The key is to identify your skills and interests and find a way to monetize them. Start by making a list of what you're good at and what you enjoy doing, then research how others have turned similar skills into successful side hustles. The internet is a treasure trove of information and resources to help you get started. Thanks to the internet, there's never been a better time to start a side hustle. With platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy, you can easily find clients and customers for your services and products. Plus, social media allows you to market your side hustle to a global audience. Not only can a side hustle bring in extra income, but it can also provide a sense of fulfillment and purpose outside of your day job. It's a chance to pursue your passions and see the direct results of your hard work. Plus, the extra income can help you achieve financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or investing in your future. Plus, it's a great way to explore new interests, develop new skills, and potentially even turn your side hustle into your full-time gig. Many successful entrepreneurs started with a side hustle that eventually grew into a thriving business. The skills and experience you gain from your side hustle can open up new career opportunities and give you the confidence to take on bigger challenges. So what are you waiting for? The first step is to take action. Dust off those talents, brainstorm some ideas, and get ready to hustle your way to financial freedom. Remember, every big success story started with a small step. Your side hustle could be the beginning of something amazing. Dust off those talents, brainstorm some ideas, and get ready to hustle your way to financial freedom. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards are worth it. Embrace the challenge, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Your future self will thank you for taking the leap and turning your skills into stacks.